dancing right beside you, and it looked like everyone was having fun. The kind of feeling I've waited so long. Don't stop, come a little closer as we check.
All right, so we're in the shower. It's a lot brighter in here now with all the white paint. We've got the cabinets kind of installed. That's 1/2-inch Baltic plywood, a lot stronger than the old door skin that was in here. I've got the cabinet doors installed. They're doing well. Shower doors installed. It looks great. Now I still have a big open space, and that's because I took out the old washing machine. The pump stopped working. The door latch broke, and there were a couple other issues with that washing machine. It took an hour and 20 minutes to do a load of laundry. But the main issue really is that I can't get parts for it anymore. That machine was 25 or 30 years old, and I couldn't find any of the parts. I thought maybe I could like make some on my own, and then it just turned into so much more work than I was willing to do for that little washing machine that I got for free. So I've got another washing machine for free, and it's a lot newer and it's a lot nicer, so come check it out. This is my little Samsung high efficiency washing machine. It's got one of those little sing-song menus items that'll just talk to you and sing you little songs as you're doing its thing. It's about, I think it's just about 10 years old, and it works like a treat. I've tested it here in the shipyard before. I do the trouble of carrying it out and installing it in the boat, because of course, as you can imagine, a big 24-inch by 36-inch by 24-inch box is kind of difficult to fit into a boat. So before I go through the trouble, I want to make sure it works. It works. I run a bunch of loads through it. Works great. And now we're gonna go through the unenviable task of getting this into the boat in one piece without losing my sanity completely.
I feel the shining sun before I know it. The dream was all gone. I don't know what to do about this dream and you. Make this dream come true. The dream was all gone. I don't know what to do about this dream and you. Can you make this dream come true? Can you make this dream come true? I don't know what to do about this dream and you. We'll make this dream come true.
I made the back door 24 1/4 wide, just because there's the odd 24-inch wide pieces. I gotta come in here, and this is 23.5, so it comes in the back door. The side door is like 23 inches, not including the door. So even if I took the door off, it's still only 23 inches wide. Just gonna take a break real quick. It's not been going super well. Single-handed, this thing is a little heavy and awkward and really just barely fits. But I'm really glad I just painted the varnish on all of this so that I could definitely do that over again after, because it's getting pretty mangled. All right, we're about 3 hours in, and I'm breaking out the axe now. We're gonna take the handrail I just installed that's now in the way, and we're relocating it to not in the way. All right, let's do this. There we go. Let's do this. Seriously, it was still full of water?
We're gonna live
Okay, it's in. None of this has been very fun. I absolutely still hate plumbing. I think PEX is better, maybe. Washing machines, I could take them or leave them at this point. Not really a fan. But what I am a fan of is our sponsor today, Skillshare. So as you could tell, I'm very sweaty because I've been learning things the hard way for the last couple episodes. But you don't have to. You just go to Skillshare, learn things the easy way. Loads of courses, loads of topics, loads of creators, people who are experts in their field, making short, concise videos, to the point, no ads, no filler, just the good stuff. There's loads of cool creators, some names you might know, like MKBHD and other noteworthy YouTubers, making videos on Skillshare, often about the topic of YouTube. If that's something that's interesting to you, you can check out the link in the description, use the offer code FINDINGSIMON, get a free month trial, and see if it's for you. Personally, I'm gonna go dig into some more courses on how to find some new inspiration on YouTube, because I really don't enjoy building boats on YouTube. It's a lot of work, and yeah, it's a lot of work. It's not a lot of fun. It's just mostly work, and yeah, I need to get back to traveling, I think, or at least doing something more exciting than wrestling a washing machine. Okay, guys, have a good one.
Gone are the summer days. If there was another